Hey guys, Mega Drew! How are you guys doing? So, again, we're gonna do some unboxing today, which is I bought a few stuff from yesterday because I went to Orchard Pop Mart and as well as the one at Dobby got Pop Mart as well. So yeah, I bought a few stuff. I think three plus one freebies, which is given by Pop Mart. I'm gonna show you which is the first one. The one I bought yesterday, which is the Let's Checkmate Compare Pad. Here it is. Oh my god, it's so cute, guys. See? Let's Checkmate. You know, last time on my previous videos, I actually have the Let's Checkmate King and Queen, which is at the back there. See? Now let's open this. See? So adorable. Oh my god. Ooh, so nice. Oh, it actually so secure. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I didn't expect it would be this long. Move a bit back. Yeah, let's checkmate. And then the behind is so nice as well. It's like a chessboard. Yeah. So that is for our last checkmate. And the second one is the one I told you that I bought from a reseller. Which is very nice as well. It's the Christmas edition, that's why I bought it. So this is it. I don't know actually inside. Christmas, it only shows like this. I don't think it's a blind box because it should be showing some stuff, right? Like different characters or different designs. So anyways, let's do this. And open. How does it look? I have no idea how does it look like. I think this is exclusive only for at Pop Plant. What is it? I know, it's very Pop Mart. Hopefully it's gonna be nice though. Oh, this is cute. It's a ball. Okay, this is a design for Christmas tree. I bet how many colors they have with this. Yellow. And here's Santa socks. Okay, let's open entirely. Okay, there you go. There's a ring. Oh, it does ring. It does ring. Okay. This is Pop Mart, and then this is the logo, and then there's a LABUBU, there, the monster, and of course, Santa socks. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this one, when it was released, I wasn't really interested to get this. But then when I get the whole set for the Pop Mart series, the figurine series, I just can't resist to not get this because this is actually the Monsters WACKY Mart Fridge Market Edition. So yeah, it's just so cute. Look at those. Yeah. Let's do this. I don't think this one has a... Does it? Let's see. Let's see whether they have a secret with this. And then I went to Bangkok recently, right? Then I was trying to get this one to any of the shops there. They don't actually it's not that they don't actually sold it anymore. They're sold out. Imagine in Bangkok, sold out. So this must be very famous there. But in Singapore, it was sold for a while. But I don't know, for some reason, I just decided to go Pop Mart yesterday, which is last night actually. And then I was so surprised they actually have it. Oopsie. I saw this one yesterday from its actual thing, which is so adorable. Let me fix this guys for you so it would be better looking. The box is so cute. It's so small compared to the one I usually buy, which is the blind boxes, the whole sets. So yeah. Okay. Here it is. Ta-da! Okay, let's unbox the first one. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Oh, there's actually a secret. Wait, I need my glasses. Sorry, guys. Okay. They have the milk, salad, the sausage, cup noodle, corn, and the sardines. Yeah. Okay. First one. Who is this? The blue one. Oh, cup noodle. Here's a cup noodle. What is it magnet? It's so weird. Maybe it's auto magnet lah. Must be somewhere here. Okay, that's for our first one. Alright. Second one. Because it's a smaller box, it's a bit more difficult to open. Oh, orange. Oh, it's the corn. I think so. Yeah, it's the corn. So cute. By the way, does it have a card? I just realized. Oh, okay, don't have. But the LABUBU Paid for Love, they have a card, but this one don't have. It says here, instruction for installation. Open the battery compartment, loosen the screw by turning counterclockwise with a screwdriver. Insert the button batteries in the battery compartment, observing the correct polarity. Once the battery compartment, tighten the screw by turning clockwise with a screwdriver. Package and instructions contain important information. Please keep them further. Oh! Huh? Must put battery for what? Actually, it has the battery in it already. So nevertheless, let's go. Okay, the third box. Oh, it's a pink. Ah, pink. Milk. How do you say? Oh, different logos. This is the milk, right? Just to confirm. Yeah, milk. That's the third one. Okay, the fourth one. This is the salad and sandwich. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this purchase. And so they're not that expensive though, because there's only 6, that's why. And it's, I think they're at $90, so Singapore dollars, so around $95 for the whole box, which is a set of 6. So the fourth one is is a grilled sausage. It's in Chinese. Yeah, I just realized it has a button. Maybe it lightens. Oh, I think it lightens up. Oh my god, it is. Is it? Oh, okay, let's check out later. That's why there's a battery. It's not just a fridge market. Oh my god, this is such a worth purchase. Okay, of course, it's not a secret. This is the orange. Orange is salad. Okay, this is the salad. Okay, let's fix this. So anyways guys, how are you gonna spend your Christmas and New Year? Me, I don't know yet, because I'm actually, but Christmas definitely here in Singapore, but New Year, for the New Year's Eve countdown, I'm not sure yet, because I happen to have 3 days off, so if I could get like a cheaper flights, I might as well go somewhere, right? Wow, the smaller version boxes, right? It's so difficult. Season. Wow, a lot of airtime. How are you guys doing, guys? Oh yeah, while I'm doing this nonsense stuff, yesterday, because this my colleague Wendy, she actually thought, because it's Christmas, right, and she's having hard time thinking of what to give me, and she realized that I actually love LABUBU's Pop Mart, so she bought me a what's this? Coffee Factory edition, but it's not the LABUBU type. I actually opened it already, so thank you, Wendy. So this is the packaging though, and then I got the demo. Yeah, thank you, Wendy. Impressed at LABUBU. It's so cute. Yeah, it's like someone selling from a coffee cafe. Okay. That's it. And then of course I couldn't resist, because I need to have the LABUBU, so I got one for myself. I got it. I opened last night. I cannot wait. Yeah. So I'll just put them everything here. Okay. Let's try to open this. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. Wait, let's turn on the lights on for everybody. Oh my god, these are so adorable. Oh my god, it doesn't fit the box. Okay, then I'll just do. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Mm-hmm. 24 hours. Okay, here it is. Okay, why don't we turn off the lights, right? Okay. I'm also gonna put them in a display case very soon. Okay, there we go. Oh, I need to turn off this one as well. Oh, here you go. Never mind, I show you individually. It's not so visible. 1, 2. 3, 4. Oh my god, I didn't realize, I just realized today. 5. And last but not the least, 6. Maybe I should get a secret for this one. Maybe I'll just gonna buy from resellers. I don't think it would be that expensive, right? Because it's just a smaller version and it's a secret. Oh yeah. Okay, let's turn off this first, guys. Battery. Here, let me see if it does mine yet. Oh yeah, it does magnet. The magnet is actually on the head part, behind the head. So yeah, this is such a very, very good purchase of mine. This is one of the best purchases of mine. Actually, everything is is a good purchase. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, so I can't wait for my next video because I had this for a while already. I already set up the, I already set up the container for the one that I'm gonna be unboxing soon. It's just I have no time, and there's a lot of it, and so yeah. Wait till I make a video out of it. Alright, so anyways, guys, thank you, and bye-bye. Let's take a photo. Oh wait, let me turn on so I can take a photo, a better photo. Oh my god. I so love this. Okay. Alright, you guys see it? Bye!